Signing into Panopto. There are two ways to start a Panopto session, directly from Canvas or via the Panopto recorder on the desktop. Signing in with Canvas. Open your Canvas course. Click on Panopto Recordings on the left side. Click Create and record a new session at the top. Launch Panopto when prompted. Open Panopto Recorder if prompted. Panopto is now opened with your correct course folder selected. Move to Section 2, Settings and starting the recording. Start Panopto from the desktop app. Select the Panopto icon on your screen. Select Sign In and the default browser will be opened. Log in with your Missouri Western username and password. You should be returned to the Panopto recorder after signing in via the browser page. If you would prefer to log in without opening the browser, choose the three dots at the top right of the Panopto app and choose Use Advanced Sign-In. Pick the folder you would like to save the video to. You should have My Folder and any courses set up in Canvas for using Panopto. We recommend choosing the correct course folder. Once you have completed the recording, the video will be uploaded to anyone that has access to that course. Panopto is now opened with your correct course folder selected. Settings and starting the recording. Keep the time and date. Add a description before the time and date if needed, located in the Name section under Folder in Session Settings. Choose your primary sources for audio source and a video source on the top left. Audio must be selected before recording. Video is optional. You can record in Panopto without the video. Adjust the settings to your preference. Default secondary sources are Capture PowerPoint and Capture Main Screen. If you plan to use these secondary sources, keep them checked. If you will be playing a streaming video, be sure to check the Capture Computer Audio option. This will add the streaming video audio to your recording. If applicable, you can add another video source. Click Add Another Video Source and choose from the available options, such as webcam, document camera, front camera, second monitor, etc. Turn the FPS, frames per second, and kbps, kilobytes per second, settings all the way up and set the resolution to 1280 by 720, an option on the drop-down menu. This will ensure smooth video for the secondary sources you choose. Check if the audio is working before you record to prevent complications. The audio meter is on the right side of the primary video image. The ideal level is in or just below yellow for your normal presenting voice. Use the slider to the right of the meter to adjust accordingly. Press the Record button once to begin recording. You may minimize the recorder and go about your normal presentation. If needed, you can press pause as you are recording. This places a marker in the video to not present this portion of the recording to the students. Recorded video or audio will be hidden until you hit resume. If you forget to hit resume, you can change this in the editing after the video is uploaded. Press stop when you are finished recording. Select Done when the Recording Complete screen pops up. You can also choose Delete your recording here as well if you want to try again. The currently uploading recording screen will show you the progress of your upload. When the upload is complete and shows processing, it is safe to log out. The title of the video turns blue when the video finishes processing. You can click the title or thumbnail to view your uploaded recording.